Hello guys, welcome back to With Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to use sensitive content control on Instagram and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to open your Instagram and just have to tap on the bottom over there. You just have to tap on it. Now from here just have to tap on hamburger button at the top right. Just tap on settings. Now you just have to tap on accounts over there. Now from here you just have to tap on sensitive content control. From here, as you can see that it is by default on the limit, which means you may see some photos and videos that could be upsetting to or offensive in something. So if you change this to limit even more, what happens is you may be able to see fewer photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive and even more. So this is what you have to do, and once it's been successfully changed, this is how you can do this up, and this is what an easiest way on how to change this up. And I hope this video is really helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.